Welcome to my channel Indian Code Guru. In this video we can learn about what is the difference between traditional data and big data. Traditional data is generated in enterprise level. Big data is generated outside the enterprise level. Traditional data volume ranges from gigabytes to terabytes. Big data volume ranges from petabytes to zettabytes or exabytes. Traditional database system deals with structured data. Big data system deals with structured, semi-structured, database, and unstructured data. Traditional data is generated per hour or per day or more. But big data is generated more frequently, mainly per seconds. Traditional data source is centralized and it is managed in centralized form. Big data source is distributed and it is managed in distributed form. Traditional data integration is very easy. Big data integration is very difficult. Normal system configuration is capable to process traditional data. High system configuration is required to process big data. The size of the traditional data is very small. The size of big data is more than the traditional data size. Traditional database tools are required to perform any database operation. Special kind of database tools are required to perform any database schema-based operation. Normal functions can manipulate traditional data. Special kind of functions can manipulate big data. Traditional data model is strict schema-based and it is static. Big data model is a flat schema-based and it is dynamic. Traditional data is stable and interrelationship. Big data is not stable and unknown relationship. Traditional data is in manageable volume. Big data is in huge volume which becomes unmanageable. Traditional data is easy to manage and manipulate the data. Big data is difficult to manage and manipulate the data. Traditional data sources includes ERP transaction data, CRM transaction data, financial data, organizational data, web transaction data, etc. Big data sources include social media, device data, sensor data, video, images, audio, etc. Some similarities between them, including data quality. The quality of data is essential in both traditional and big data environments. Accurate and reliable data is necessary for making informed business decisions. Data analysis. Both traditional and big data require some form of analysis to derive insights and knowledge from the data. Traditional data analysis methods typically involve statistical techniques and visualizations, while big data analysis may require machine learning and other advanced techniques. Data security. Data security is a critical consideration in both traditional and big data environments. Protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access, theft, or misuse is essential in both contexts. Business value. Both traditional and big data can provide significant value to organizations. Traditional data can provide insights into historical trends and patterns, while big data can uncover new opportunities and help organizations make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching.